So welcome to another episode of Dental Lab Insights. I'm delighted to have Darin Throndson with me today. He's the President of Innovative Dental Technologies. Welcome, Darin.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in. I know for a start that you are exclusively a digital laboratory. I was just wondering if you could tell me a little bit about the journey of how you got to that stage.
Yes. So I started my dental career as a sales professional with a dental distributor selling CEREC. And got to learn a lot about CEREC and its offerings, and was able to discern that many dentists would do as much as they could themselves, but still needed a place to send their digital files for things that they couldn't or did not want to do. I transitioned into a training role with yet another company, and while training was able to learn all aspects of digital technology. So when it came time to open up our laboratory, I knew that I wanted to focus on dentists who already had digital impression machines and were looking for a place to send their files.
Fantastic. So do you, from that perspective, you've got a great view of how laboratories have developed over the years. What do you see as the kind of the future of dental laboratories now?
So the future is bright for dental laboratories, especially those that have a high-end technology in their labs. You have to be able to accept the scans, be able to design on the scans, and then be able to create your restorations from those scans. So being able to understand the scanners, how they work, how to accept those files and manipulate them to get the information that we need is going to be very important. Learning how to pour stone models will not be as important as learning how to operate 3D printers and mills and those type of machinery.
And just touching on 3D printers, how do you see the role of the 3D printer in the lab?
So the 3D printer is really, it's cliche to say game changer, but it really is. Not only does it allow us to expand our product offerings, but it also allows us to be much more efficient and to let the machines work instead of the people work. So we're able to maintain higher margins with using 3D printing. As well as get the work done faster. With 3D printing, obviously it's an additive technology instead of a subtractive technology, so you don't have the waste of materials that you have with some of our manufacturing capabilities now, which also leads to more economic advantages to the laboratory when utilizing 3D printing.
Fantastic. And I just wanted finally to talk about ceramics and how you see the future of ceramics really in the industry.
Yeah. So fast moving is how ceramics are coming. We started off with things that were very strong but very ugly, and now we have things that are absolutely beautiful that we can produce using dental ceramics and subtractive technology, milling technology. They even now have a variance of translucency and color gradation in the pucks, and there are some products coming to market that will have various strengths as well. So very strong at one level of the puck, kind of a mid-grade in the middle, and then very high translucency, but slightly less strength towards the incisal edge of pucks.
Darin, that's brilliant. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing your insights to the industry. That's been brilliant.
My pleasure.
So stay tuned for another episode of Dental Lab Insights.